Hello everyone, since Wrapper Offline 2.0.0 finally released after being in development for a year, I might as well to make an update tutorial to my original video. So this is an update tutorial on how to get Wrapper Offline 2.0.0 on Chrome OS, or in this case, your Chromebooks. Here's some few things you need to know before doing this. 1. Some Chromebooks do not support Linux and Play Store apps. The version Chrome OS they have is the Flex version, so this tutorial won't work for you if you are a Flex user. 2. This was tested on AMD 64 Chromebooks, and yes they do work, for ARM 64 Chromebooks. Some say they do not work, or they say that they do work. I don't really know, since I do not have an ARM 64 Chromebook. To check what architecture you have, go to terminal and type lscpu and you will see what you have. Here's an example. And now that's off of the way, let's begin the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to install Linux on your Chromebook. This is really important since Wrapper Offline runs on there. To find Linux, go to Settings on either your system tray, or go to the Start menu where you see it there. It has the gear icon if you don't know. When you are in the settings, go to the developers section and you will see Linux development environment. You need to click turn on. And this is what you first see. Click next when you see this screen. The next screen, you can change your Linux storage or your username if you want. Then click on install, and it will begin installing Linux and may take a while. If it's done, then a terminal window would show up. Here's what you first see here. What do you need to do first? Well, we need to use the command wget to get the zip file of 2.0.0. When you do this, the zip file will then download by its own. After this, use the unzip command to unzip the zip file. After this, you need to go root to install Node.js. First do sudo I, then do a curl command, and then install it by doing these commands linked in the description. After that's done, exit out of root mode and install libmss3 since Wrapper does not work without it. Finally, type this command to launch Wrapper offline and it will properly load as normal. And that's not all. You can launch Wrapper without terminal. Here's how to do it. First, install Manulib and launch it after it's done. Then click on the plus button and click on Add Launcher. Here is what I did, and the stuff you should copy. And you will launch Wrapper offline without using terminal. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon.